Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how I applied some sound dampening material to the left front door of my Prius V. To get the front panel off, we need to remove the carrier of all the switches. This carrier is just snapped in, so we carefully prise it off. There are two connectors which are removed. Next we need to remove the cover behind the door handle. And there is just a flap of rubber in the groove here. There are two screws which hold the panel in place. One at the grab area for the fingers. It's a Phillips screw. And the other one is right above the handle. Bottom of the panel there is the light. This can be easily prized out and the connector removed. I was using a bicycle tire changing tool to pull the snap-ins out. There is a groove where one can get easily behind the plastic panel to start snapping out. It takes a firm but gentle pull and then the panel comes off easily. Don't worry, the snaps can take the force. So with a short grab they come off easily. So the panel is now loose and is lifted upwards. First, to get it off the frame, and then we need to remove the two Bowden wires which are connected to the door lever. One is for the opening and closing mechanism and one is for operating the lever. They are just snapped in at their place and can be easily removed. Next, to gain access to the outer area, we need to remove the plastic cover here. It's held in place by some black glue. Since it was warm outside, this was very soft and could be removed very easily. There's no need to remove the whole thing. Excess is easily done by the lower hole. Next step is cleaning. The surface of the inner door panel of the door metal frame must be cleaned. I was using methylated spirit for this purpose. Anything that degreases the area of the metal will be okay. As you can see, there's a whole big room there with no additional dampening placed. That's the dampening material I will be using. It's a Petec product. It's 50 centimeters by 50 centimeters wide, and I'm going to cut it in stripes of 40 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and the remaining 10 centimeters will be cut into small patches which I can place everywhere I want to dampen more. A simple cutter is all that is needed to cut the stripes. By knocking on the outer door, I found the spots where to place the stripes of dampening material. So the first one goes on the up and to forward as far as I can get into. Next one. I placed them always in the middle of the big area. That's the door original without any dampening. And that's the door with dampening. Much better. Thanks for watching. Bye.